Hey everyone, today we're continuing our study of y equals mx plus b and writing equations. So example 1, write an equation of the line that passes through -4, 2 with a slope of 3. So we know that this line has a slope of 3 and we need to find the y-intercept. So we're going to replace m with 3 and x and y with -4, 2 in the slope-intercept form and solve. So we start out with y equals mx plus b. My y-coordinate is 2. My m is 3. My slope is 3. My x-coordinate is -4 plus b. And now I need to solve that for b. So that gives me 2 equals -12 plus b. Add 12 to both sides. And we get 14 equals b. So then to go back to writing the equation, we go back to y equals mx plus b. And we know that m is 3 and b is 14. So the equation is y equals 3x plus 14. Now, if we want to write an equation that passes through 2 points, 1, 2, and 3, -2, first thing we need to do is we need to find the slope. So to find the slope, we use our equation y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So I am going to do 2 minus -2 over 1 minus 3, which gives me 4 over -2, or -2. Now, for the rest of the problem, we can do it with either point. I'm choosing to do it with 1, 2, but you can do it with either point. It doesn't matter. Now that we know our slope and we're using 1, 2, we're going back to the process we did in the last example. So we have y equals mx plus b. So we say 2 equals -2 times 1 plus b. So 2 equals -2 plus b. We add 2 to both sides, and we get b equals 4, which means our equation is y equals -2x plus 4. So that's our example. So here are a couple that we have graphically, and notice that you can't just pick off the y-intercept for these, for some of them, because it might be right through there, it might not be. So I want you to pause and I want you to try these 3 and then come back. Okay, so it turns out all of these were going through the y-axis exactly where it looked like. So number 1, you should have come up with y equals 3x minus 1. 2, you should have come up with y equals -2x minus 2. And 3 was y equals -x minus 4. So now we're going to do some more where we're given a point and a slope, and I want you to write the equations of these. So again, using our example from before, I want you to pause and give these a try. Okay, so I paused and I showed all my work. So number 4 is y equals -3x minus 11. 5 is y equals 1/2 x plus 1. And 6 is y equals -3/2 x minus 7/2. Again, if you have any questions on any of these, please note it and bring it to class, or you can ask at the end of the Edpuzzle. So now on 7, 8, 9, we're using the 2-point idea. So again, with these, although being that they're graphed, I can find the slope without using the slope formula. So on 7, I can say that I go up 2 over 2. So that means my slope is 1. And then I get to choose what point I want to use. I'm going to use 2, -4. So I start out with y equals mx plus b. I say -4 equals 1 times 2 plus b. So -4 equals 2 plus b. I subtract 2, and -6 equals b. So it's y equals 1x, or just x, minus 6. So I want you to pause and try the rest. So I know It's a lot. Well, actually try through 24. And come back and check, and we'll do the word problems together in class tomorrow. So number 8 is y equals negative x plus 5. I didn't have to do a lot of work because they gave me the y-intercept as my point. Number 9 is y equals negative 2x minus 5. So again, I did these three. These were simpler because they gave me the y-intercepts, so I just had to find the slope. So 10 is y equals 4x minus 3. 11 is y equals negative x plus 4. 12 is y equals 1/3 x plus 1. Now the last 6 are a little more, actually it's the last 12. Actually, just do the next 6 and call it a day for tonight. And we'll pick up the rest in class tomorrow. Okay, so the last 6 answers are y equals negative 2x plus 4, y equals 5x plus 2 for 14, y equals negative 4x minus 1 for 15, 16 is y equals 3x plus 5, 17 is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 4, 18 is y equals 3/7 x plus 4. If you have any questions on any of these, please bring them to class. And again, we'll do the rest in class tomorrow.